Welcome to online video classes.
Good morning to all.
My name is M. Padmavati, Biology CRT.
KHB Vajrakarur, Anantapur district.
Ninth class, third lesson, animal tissues. Today I discussed the topic is the story of blood.
What is blood? Blood definition. Blood is essential to life. Blood circulates through our body and delivers essential substances like oxygen and nutrients to the body cells. It also transports metabolic waste products away from those same cells. There is no substitute for blood. It cannot be made or manufactured. Generous blood donors are the only source of blood for patients in need of a blood transmission.
Hi students, the structure of blood, observation of picture, how many components present in blood, the blood components, first one plasma, second one red blood cells, third one white blood cells, fourth one platelets.
Blood components. There are four basic components that comprise human blood. First one plasma, liquid. Second one red blood cells which carrying oxygen to the tissues. Third one white blood cells which fight infections. Platelets, smaller cells that help the blood to clot.
Students, talk about the story of blood. Blood is also a tissue. Let us know more about blood. There is red stream and flows in a closed canal in our body. The red stream that flows in a closed tubes in our body is blood. It is also a type of connective tissue. Blood explains many things about us. Blood is a source of identify our wellness or illness. It is very interesting to know about blood current in our body. Our heart pumps nearly 36,000 liters of blood in the distance of nearly 20,000 kilometers in the time period of 24 hours. Blood is red in a color. Do you agree this with statement? Yes. Animals cannot be our relatives. The blood is always not red in all animals. The cockroach has white blood color. The snail is blue color blood. Think and discuss. It is really a wonder. The blood appears in the different colors. Normal adults, human beings have about 5 liters of blood. Blood, a chief component in a blood is water, which is stored in a plasma. Besides water, it also have a several nutrients such as a glucose, ammonia acids, proteins, vitamins and hormones etc. required for the body and excretory products such as a lactic acid, urea, salts etc. Plasma also containing factors responsible for blood clotting. Heparin help to prevent blood clotting in blood vessels. Cells present in blood. There are three types. First one red blood cells, second one white blood cells, third one blood platelets. The first type of red blood cells. Red blood cells also called erythrocytes. Red blood cells represent 40 to 45% of your blood volume. They are generated from your bone marrow at a rate of 4 to 5 billions per hour. RBC life cycle 120 days in the body. Blood taking of an adult, we can make a chain of red blood cells around the earth and equator with 7 circles. When you are in your mother's womb, your red blood cells are formed in the liver and spleen. After your birth, these red blood cells are generated for the bone marrow of long bone. All mammals except Camel and llama have a red blood cells without nucleus. Second type of white blood cells. Discuss about the white blood cells. All those white blood cells are leukocytes, only amount for about 1% of our blood. They are very important. White blood cells are essential for good health and the protection against illness and diseases. Like red blood cells, there are constantly beginning generated for your bone marrow. They flow through the bloodstream and attack foreign bodies like virus and bacteria. They can even leave the bloodstream to extend the fight into tissues. Of white blood cells. White blood cells are two types. First one granulocytes, second one agranulocytes. Granulocytes three types. First one neutrophils, eosinophils, basophils. Agranulocytes two types, lymphocytes and monocytes. Observe the diagrams carefully in white blood cells. Neutrophils, basophils, eosinophils, monocytes and lymphocytes. Talk about the white blood cells. The second type of cells present in blood are white blood cells. These cells do not have a hemoglobin. Hence, they are colorless and called a leukocytes. These cells are less in numbers when compared to red blood cells. There are two types of granulocytes and agranulocytes. There are three types of cells in the granulocytes: neutrophils, basophils, and eosinophils. These cells attack the destroy the microorganisms that enter the blood. Some white blood cells sacrifice their life to fight against external enemy. These dead white blood cells came out of the wound as pus. Lymphocytes secrete antibodies to ground against foreign materials that enter into blood. Neutrophils are the first line of defense against bacteria, so they are called as microscopic policemen. There are two types of granulocytes, lymphocytes and monocytes. Monocytes move like amoeba and attack the foreign materials. The foreign materials are destroyed inside the cells. They are called as a scavengers. Discuss about the blood platelets. Blood platelets are a separate group of cells which do not have a nucleus. There are disc-like projections. Whenever blood vessels is injured, platelets accumulate at the site of injury and help in the formation of blood clot. The clot seals the wound in the blood vessels and prevention further blood loss. Discuss about the blood groups. How many types of blood groups? There are four major types of blood groups. Your sisters and brothers are not your relatives. They shock you, but it is true. If you take into consideration the blood groups, because there may not have the same blood group as yours. Lance Steiner, a German doctor, find a new blood relations among us. He divided human beings into four major groups. There are A, B, AB and O. The person who lives on another side of the globe is same with your blood group is also a blood relatives. Do you agree this? Yes. AB group human beings can receive the blood from any another groups. Hence they are called universal receptors. O group people can donate the blood to any another group. So these people are now as universal donors. Observe the blood group tables. Blood type, cell antigen, serum antibodies. Done. A blood group presence in cell antigen present in serum antibodies is equal to A blood group. Second one, B blood group, cell antigen B present, serum antibody A present is equal to B blood group. AB blood group, cell antigen AB blood group present, serum antibody absent is equal to AB blood group. O, cell antigen absent, serum antibody AB present is equal to O positive. AB universal receptors, O universal donors. Watching the video. Thank you for all.